Hey everyone, I'm Miranda.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are both students of the University of Mississippi Medical Center School of Nursing.
We're so excited to talk to you today about how important your heart is during today's Question It, Discover It.
And since Valentine's is coming up, we wanted to share a super fun activity with you.
February is also Heart Month, so it makes sense that we share some information with you on how you can keep your heart happy and healthy.
And we want to tell you a little bit of how your heart works.
Your heart is a really big and important muscle, just like you have muscles in your arms and legs. But your heart is special because it works to pump blood all over your body.
Yes, and make sure your body gets enough oxygen and it takes all kinds of waste away from your body.
Your heart has 2 atria on the top and 2 ventricles on the bottom.
The right side of your heart receives blood from your body that needs oxygen and nutrients.
When it leaves the right side of the heart, it goes through the lungs and then back to your heart, but this time it comes in on the left side.
When your blood gets here, it has gotten oxygen from your lungs and then it pumps out of your aorta to your whole body.
If you put your hand over your chest, you can feel this happening. When this pumping happens, it makes the sound of a heartbeat.
Your heart is so important because it makes sure the rest of your organs stay happy and healthy and alive with all of the oxygen and nutrients.
Since it's so important, we want to give you 4 tips you can use every day to keep your heart happy and healthy.
Number 1 is making sure you turn off your TV, put down your phone, and get an hour of exercise every day. You can walk your dog, go for a ride on your bike, play a sport, whatever you like to do to make sure you are being active and helping train your heart.
The second thing you can do is to make sure you eat a healthy dinner. You can even cook as a family to get your family involved in this. It's important that you're eating enough fruits and vegetables every single day.
Number 3 is drinking enough water. Depending on how old you are, you should be drinking 5 to 7 glasses of water every day to make sure you're staying hydrated. Since your heart is constantly pumping, it's important to keep it happy with lots of water.
And number 4, and our last tip for keeping your heart happy, is to eat less sugar. I know we all love candy and chocolate, especially with Valentine's coming up, but it's important that you replace these unhealthy foods with some better options. This will help keep your heart in tip-top shape.
So we told you about things to keep your heart happy, healthy, and shining. Now we want to share a fun activity so you can have another kind of shine.
We're going to show you all how to make a love bug or a caterpillar out of hearts.
For this activity, you're going to need your parents' help.
And the only items you'll need are some pink or red construction paper, or both if you want to mix it up, a black marker, some glue, and some scissors. Okay, for step 1, I'm going to fold my piece of paper in half so that when I cut out 4 of my hearts, I can make sure that they're all the same size. Done. Now I'm going to use this heart as a template for the rest. Now I have 4 large hearts, and I'm gonna make 1 smaller one for the head. I'm gonna fold my paper in half again. And this time I'm gonna cut a half heart shape smaller. Now I'm gonna lay out my hearts. Gonna draw some feet. And some eyes. And a big smile. And now I'm gonna glue all the pieces together. I'm gonna let it dry and hang it on my refrigerator.
And there we have it. There's our Valentine's Day craft.
Thank you so much for joining us today for Question to Discover It, sponsored by University of Mississippi Medical Center.